Okay, so now we're going to break a CAPTCHA. It's a very simple CAPTCHA. This CAPTCHA is just a matter of using different fonts and tilting the images over a little. So they aren't very difficult CAPTCHAs. Anyway, machine learning can be used to break many CAPTCHAs, as you probably know, which is why they're a lot less useful than they used to be. The original point of CAPTCHAs was to be able to tell that humans were using something by making them fill in letters or numbers that are twisted over. But as machine learning gets better at it, it is not true that you need humans to do this task. And so here's an example of an R bent over and another R. So that just shows you what these things look like. All right. And so we're going to prepare the images by turning them all into 20 by 20 grayscale and saving the correct label for each one. So we have a labeled data set to learn from. All right. So it's going to resize the letters and it's going to split them into training and test sets and convert the labels into a form that it can use. That's the game here. All right. And so now we can create a model and train. And again, we're using just sort of a generic model with the most common type of model and parameters just to see what they can do. So we have a layer here and another layer, a hidden layer with 500 nodes and an output layer with 32 nodes because there are 32 possible values. A bunch of letters and numbers, and a few letters and numbers are removed that are too close to others. So we fit the model. You see it's taking time to fit. Here's the model. You can see this model has 667,000 parameters. So that's really quite a few in all these layers. And the end result is here it is doing 10 epochs of training. And over here, you see the accuracy is going up. 1, 4, 10, going up to like 76%. Yes, I see a question. Are the recordings going to be available? Yes, all the recordings are here. If you go to the machine learning page with your projects, these are the recordings here. They're all going to be right on this page. All right. That's important if you miss anything or you want to look at it again. So it gets up to 93% accuracy on the, when I did it, it was 93% on the training data. In this case, didn't do exactly what I expected. But anyway, this is accuracy on the training data and on the test data. So I got to, oh, here, 90% on the training data and 76% on the test data. I think it did work. Yeah, okay. All right. So, all right, there's an adjustment to make there to turn in a flag, but that's an example of how this one works. And all right, and that's all I wanted to show you there.